Hello students, this is a video to describe to you and kind of walk you through the steps on how you're going to log in to IXL and complete your diagnostic test. Hopefully your teacher has kind of reached out to you to let you know that's the direction we're moving with in terms of instruction. And so this video is to help you log in like you normally would to IXL, but then also figure out where to go to find the diagnostic test once you are logged in. So the first thing that you want to make sure is that you're logged into the school district specific IXL Stansberry link. It should pop up for you, whether you sign in like you've done in the past, go through Clever, those types of things. So make sure you're at that link and type in your username and password like you normally would to get logged in. And then once you're logged in to IXL, you'll notice at the top here there's a diagnostic link that you're going to click. Once you click that link, it'll give you this and say start diagnosing to reveal your levels. So you step into the arena is the button you're going to click, and then what it'll ask you to do is it gives you an option between two different questions that you're going to look through and choose to start with. So depending on which one you think looks more like one you could answer pretty quickly, you choose one of those, and then you're going to work through this test and answer the questions. You just need to do your best. This is not for a grade or anything like that. The idea is to get a better idea of where your learning strengths are and maybe where some areas are for growth, potential growth, and things like that. So obviously take your time. You don't need to get this all done in one setting. That's the idea behind giving you an extended period of time here through online learning to work through this. But once you do get finished with this and it gives you kind of results, it'll show you some different areas in terms of what your score looks like and what areas you can work on and some recommendations for things like that. Make sure that you're taking a screenshot of your overall results for the diagnostic test. That'll be like your first assignment throughout this process, and make sure you're turning that in like you have been on Schoology with your IXL assignments. If you have any questions or issues getting logged in or getting started with the diagnostic, or when you get finished, coming up with a screenshot and things like that to share with your teacher, make sure you let us know, check in, email us, and ask questions that way. So if this is something that you're struggling with, make sure you're reaching out. Otherwise, you have the next couple weeks here to work through this and get this finished, and so we can continue to move with our online learning journey. So again, reach out to your teachers if you have any questions, if you need help with anything like that throughout this diagnostic process. But we look forward to kind of seeing where you're at and then where we can continue to grow throughout the rest of this year. Thanks.